Welcome back to KITT Raceway, everybody. We're going to do something I haven't done in a long time. We're going to do a Hot Wheels 2020 M-Case USA case unboxing today. And you know what? The best thing about opening a new case is I get to have another race. So we'll have an M-Case double curve elimination race to follow in the next couple weeks. Also, we're going to have a really awesome monster truck King of the Hill coming up in the next 2 weeks as well. Lots to look forward to. So if you're new to the channel, please hit your subscribe button, click the notification link so you can be up on all the new fresh stuff. Let's get this started. Okay, let's get this started. I'm pretty excited about this, you guys. I haven't done an unboxing for quite a while. Let's see if we can find the Super. And I'm pretty sure the Super is a Ford Galaxy. Let's see if we can get lucky. Okay, there we go. Take a peek at these. And the first three up is the 1949 Merc and the 2019 Kia Stinger GT. This was a pretty quick track car in the last L-Case race I did outside. I'll put the link above. All right, next three. We have the 1992 BMW M3. We have the Astano Hotto. I have no idea how to say that. And we also have the 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 302. I'll tell you what, that Hotto, I hope it's quick on the track. We'll find out. Cool. Next three we have here. We have the new color on the ripping rod. That is sweet. We have the 1989 Mazda Savannah RX-7. Need my glasses. I believe that is an FC3S or 5. Wouldn't pass a vision test today. We also have a pedal to metal. Oh yeah, you know that's gonna be fast. All right, next three. Corvette C7 Z06. We have the clip rod, and we have this awesome Land Rover Defender 90. And I tell you what, these guys are pretty quick. Good looking group of cars, isn't it? Look at that. Beautiful. All right, next three. Ooh, we have the TV series Batmobile. I like that new recolor on the Batman. And we have another Land Rover. Isn't that sweet? Love the color. Just a beautiful car. The highlights on the rims, just spectacular. All right, we get another one. Sweet. That'll be on the next M-Case race. We have this Alpine A110 Cup, and we have another Hotto. All right. And the next three. Oh, my daughter will be happy. Another Surf and Turf. Oh, two of them. Extra sweet. And we also have this 1992 Ford Mustang. That is not a recoloring. Not my favorite, but pretty cool anyway. All right, next three. We have another Corvette. Now, these were two cars I was looking forward to getting. This Lamborghini Urus. They are pretty spectacular. I love the yellow. Wouldn't it be cool to own a Lamborghini SUV? And of course, these are new for 2020. But just a really neat casting. Not very heavy though. Take a look at the back here. Kind of interesting. All right, next three. And here we go. We got the clip rod. We got the Baja truck. And we have a Dodge Charger Drift Police Edition. Awesome stuff. Unfortunately, I have all these. But that's okay. I'd like to have more. All right, next three. Oh, there's a Ford Galaxy. That is not the Super. We also have this custom Ford Maverick and this Roger Dodger. I just love that car. That recolor is pretty cool too. Here's a closer look at the Galaxy. This is the regular version, but this is what the Super would look like. I believe it has some tampos on the hood. Either way, it's a cool car. And it's got flames, so you know it's fast. Not really. Next three. We have the 89 Mazda Savannah again. We have the Kia Stinger again, and a recolor on Tricera truck. And I believe, see that little flame logo there right in the middle? This is the treasure hunt for the case. I like it. I like those yellow wheels, cool tampos. I'll be saving that one. And final three of the first half of the case, we have another Rip Rod, Geoterra, and a TV series Batmobile. Good looking cars. All right, let's get to the second half of the case. All right, here's the second half of the case. Let's grab these first three cars. And we have a slide kick, which are quick. We have the 1969 pickup and a 65 Ford Galaxy, not a Super. Well, maybe the next case. All right, but I really like that sidekick. They can be quick. All right, next up. Hey, that's cool. That recolor on this Hudson Hornet is sweet. We have that custom Ford Maverick. Ooh, and that Pontiac Firebird. Now we're talking. Put these down. Look at that. That is a beautiful car. I'll tell you what, if that was black, oh no, he'd look awful familiar. 1984 Pontiac Firebird. Man, I hope he's quick. See if he can take on my king of the cases. All right, next three. We have another sidekick, another Hudson Hornet, and an Alpha Pursuit. I had all these in the last case, but I really like that Hudson Hornet recolor. That is a beautiful car, isn't it? And next three, we have the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. We'll see how quick he is. And another Pontiac Firebird and a Donut Drifter. New recolor, kind of cool. Kind of cool. All right, next three. Oh, now these were quick last time. If you check out the last race, the 1991 Mazda MX-5 Miata, Roger Dodger, and a Moto Wing. All right, next three. Ooh, the Mod Rod. We got the Sand Blaster, and we have the Tesla Model 3. That is some sweet stuff. I like that Sand Blaster. And the next three. We have another 1969 Chevy pickup. We have a 1973 Ford Falcon XB. and this forward force. Pretty quick car. Good looking group right there. All right, next up, it looks like we're on a green theme here. But we got a Linzer prototype and another forward force. Those are pretty spectacular. And the next three, another Mazda MX-5, Tesla Model 3, and a Surf's Up. Let's take a little closer look at this one. This is from the Tokyo 2020 series. Look at that. That is sweet. Bet he'll fit on the track. Hey, that's pretty cool. I like that. Kind of a neat card too. Okay, we're getting towards the bottom here. We have the turbo charged. We have the 1952 Chevy and the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. Pretty cool. And the final six. We have a Ford Mustang Boss 302, another Alpine Cup, and a Moto Wing. All right. And finally, we have a custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT, a Turbo Rooster, and a Speed Driver. Look at this thing. I have to admit, I do love my chickens, as you've seen in some of my outdoor races. So a Turbo Rooster is pretty cool to me. Yeah, pretty heavy. Got a little metal to the bottom. And we'll see. Let's go over my favorite car. And my favorite car is in the case, of course. I really like this Pontiac Firebird. That is really a sweet new casting. Hopefully he'll be pretty quick. I was pretty happy to get a Ford Galaxy. I would have preferred the Super, but this will do me just fine. See how quick he is in the next race? I'm pretty excited about this Lamborghini Urus. I really like that yellow color. And anything Lamborghini's cool to me. Tricera truck. See the flame logo right there? Pretty awesome casting. And finally, I really like this new 2020 Tokyo Surf's Up. Just kind of a cool card and a cool casting. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. It was a lot of fun to do an unboxing video again. I don't know how many more of these I'll do, but it was a lot of fun to see some of these new castings. Stay tuned for the upcoming 2020 M-Case race. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe and check out my channel. I got a lot of fun and hopefully entertaining races for you. I hope everybody's doing well. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.